welcome back to Learn English Sentences. So, in this video, I'm gonna share some really beautiful sentences. So, I'm sure you really like these sentences. So, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my video. Okay? So, let's get going. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something from me? Are you hiding something from me? क्योंकि तुम बहुत अजीब हरकतें कर रहे हो. Because you are acting so weird. Because you are acting so weird. एक मिनट मेरी बात तो सुनो. Just listen to me for a minute. Just listen to me for a minute. तुम्हें वैसा क्यों लगता है कि मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँगा? Why do you think that I had do something like that? Why do you think that I had do something like that? वो मुझसे मुश्किल से ही कभी बात करती है. She hardly ever talk to me. She hardly ever talk to me. क्या मैंने तुमसे कभी झूठ बोला है? Have I ever lied to you? Have I ever lied to you? अगर हमें ये पता होता तो हम जल्दी आ गए होते. If we had known that, we would have come sooner. If we had known that, we would have come sooner. मुझे लगा था ऐसा करना आसान होगा. I thought doing this would be easy. I thought doing this would be easy. उसने हमारी मदद करने की पूरी कोशिश की. She did her best to help us. She did her best to help us. तुम्हें ये करना ही पड़ेगा, चाहे तुम्हें ये पसंद हो या नहीं. You will have to do it whether you like it or not. You will have to do it whether you like it or not. मुझे यहाँ कभी वापस आना ही नहीं चाहिए था. I shouldn't have ever come back ever here. I shouldn't have ever come back here. ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हुआ है. It seems that something happened to you. It seems that something happened with you. हम तुम्हारे ये एहसान कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. We will never forget this favor of yours. We will never forget this favor of yours. ऐसा हुआ क्योंकि हमने ऐसा होने दिया. It happened because we let it happen. It happened because we let it happen. हमें उसको उसकी गलती का एहसास दिलाना चाहिए. We should make her realize her mistakes. We should make her realize her mistakes. तुम्हारे लिए मुझसे दूर रहना ही अच्छा होगा. You had better stay away from me. You had better stay away from me. तुम दोनों आज इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you two so calm today? Why are you two so calm today? वो मुझे मारने की कोशिश कर रही थी. She was trying to kill me. She was trying to kill me. तुम भी ऐसा ही करते अगर तुम मेरी जगह होते. You would also do the same if you were in my place. You would also do the same if you were in my place. तुम वहाँ कुछ ही मिनट में पहुँच जाओगे. You will get there in a few minutes. You will get there in a few minutes. चिंता मत करो, हमारे पास पूरी रात है. Don't worry, we have got all night. Don't worry, we have got all night. हम पता लगा लेंगे ये किसने किया था. We will figure out who did it. Who did this? We will figure out who did this. क्या तुमने उसे कल रात जाते देखा था या नहीं? Did you see her leave last night or not? Did you see her leave last night or not? हम सब ने ये देखा था. We all saw it. We all saw it. तुम कभी नहीं समझोगे. You will never understand. You will never understand. हमेशा की तरह सब कुछ मुझे ही करना होगा. As usual, I will have to do everything myself. As usual, I will have to do everything myself. मुझे भी तुमसे यही उम्मीद थी. That's what I expected from you. That's what I expected from you. क्या ऐसा तुम्हारे साथ भी हुआ था? Did it happen to you too? Did it happen to you too?